Yeah, hello guys. Welcome back to my channel, and I hope you are doing great. Okay, so let's get started. Today, we are going to talk about how you can design certificates. Have you thought about designing a certificate for your company, your institution? You don't have any idea how to do it. You don't have Photoshop skills or other photo design skills. Don't worry. I'm going to show you the easiest way that you can use MS Word to in design the certificate. Just a few minutes. So make sure you have your MS Word download. If you don't have it, I'll put a link below so that you can download it for free. Okay, thank you. Okay, first of all, after downloading, open your Word document, Word application. Good. Now it takes. You see this? Okay, this is our home. You can go to more templates. Make sure you have internet connection to get this successful. Then you can type certificate, search for certificate here, and you're going to get a lot of different templates. You get it? Okay, so now you browse through the templates, the one you want. So maybe I want this one, then just double click this one. It will be downloaded, and here we go. So after that, this is it. You just change the name of the owner of the certificate. So mine, I'll do it Magaji. You get it? This is just a diploma course you have completed, and maybe you completed on the 2024, or let's say. So you just type the dates, maybe January 25th, 2020. Okay, so that was it. Yes, you get the name of your principal and the other name, maybe the assistant, maybe your head of department. Okay, so after that, you're good to go. Just click on File, go to Save. Choose the location you want to save it. I will save it on a desktop. Save it anywhere you want. Then name, then you save it. So now you can see it here. So let's close this one. Close this, and let's try to open our certificate design. So we have successfully designed your certificates. Hope you like this video. Give a thumbs, subscribe for more. Also like and share. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.